little bird fascinated by its own image in the mirror, rather attacking its own image in the mirror.